And had some really interesting extracurricular activities. I mean, that's just on top of all the lingerie we found. Oh.
Arr!
Howdy, pirates.
Previously on CannacityHustles.
We won the one with the safe at $470.
First off, guys, look at that. That's a safe.
Are you ready to crack this safe?
Hell yeah.
Okay, let's do this.
It looks like diamonds.
Uh-oh, what you got?
Uh-oh.
It is a sword.
Look at
Oh!
that. Nice.
Another
sword.
Damn!
Is this Louis Vuitton? Really? Oh! Gucci purse.
Worth much more than a regular PS4.
Are you kidding?
Okay,
Yes,
let's
I
make this
didn't
back.
make a bad choice after all.
Is that?
Harley Davidson jacket.
Hell yeah.
Oh my god.
I really like it.
Me too.
Kind of like a loft.
Why do you think I was enjoying it?
Are these guys
Pretty comfortable.
Yes.
It's an Oregon Ducks bottle, and it's full of cash. Dollar bills, yo. Oh, you look great, honey. What's inside? $516.85.
If we get 100 subscribers, I'm going to get the skull and crossbone tattooed on my arm.
That I am going to put the Wolfpack skull and crossbones on there. So, but that's 1,000 subscribers, so you guys know what you need to do. Come on, internet.
Oh, what
shook
is
toy.
that? That's not a toy, baby. I don't think you understand what that is. Hi guys, so today is day 8 and it is June the
17th.
17th? Wow, okay, June 17th, 2019. So we are back at the safe unit and we have Monica today and Jilly and Mama C and Jimmy and me. And, well, since I broke 3 more ribs, I won't be doing much help, but I will be recording them doing all kinds of awesome work because they're all awesome people. So anyway, let's get started. Okay, so here we are and there's the crew. Our lovely members of the Wolfpack. Well, most of them. We're missing Mitchell and Jeff, but everybody else is here ready to work. Look at that great teamwork.
Okay, you're going to hit the trash can and go this way.
We already have this thing full of trash.
Yeah, that's the first piece of furniture we were able to pull out.
Yeah. So that's going to be a free thing, right?
Yeah. So why don't you go ahead and get that one online so that way we can get it to where somebody can pick it up when we're home.
I think Banana Republic.
I think that's a good brand. Although it's pretty grody on the bottom. Oh, that's where that other shoe went. Yeah, Stripper Hill. Wow, we can actually walk in here now. This is crazy.
Word. These I think are just hangers. You can put that somewhere.
We're just hanging around. Another recliner. This one looks like it's in a little bit. Ew.
Be a trash bin there.
Good lord, these are bigger than mine. I start singing uncontrollably, it's because I'm listening to music in my other ear. So, just a fair warning.
Okay, so there's the glass, I think, that goes to that table over there.
Why does girl have so many hats?
Archaeologists would be asking me the same thing. Why does he have so many hats?
They're all like beanies too. Cause she's always cold.
Well, she wears a lot of lingerie.
I'm thinking
I would be cold
That's why she
too.
needs the hat.
Yeah.
I don't quite get that logic.
Because
She needs a hat for.
to keep her warm because all she's wearing is lingerie.
Oh, yeah, I gotta keep that brain warm, I suppose.
That's a little weird. What is that thing? Sort of cute, actually. Oh, here's another song. That's actually really cute. Merry Christmas, la 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 la. That's really cute. Don't you think? I don't know what it's supposed to be for. I guess a Christmas ornament?
Maybe?
You're supposed to be able to plug it into the TV.
I don't know.
So we'll put this one next to the other one. So,
Character. What? The leash or the
oh my
chain?
god, there's two of them!
What is it?
And a
It's a
blindfold.
fucking leash. Two of them.
When you pulled it out, a blindfold fell out.
This woman had some really interesting extracurricular activities. I mean, that's just on top of all the lingerie we have. Holy shit. I mean, what kind of party are we having? Are some of these like wrist or something? They have to be.
Wow.
This girl got around.
What'd you say?
I said it sounds like fun to me.
I know, adventurous.
Ay, ay, ay.
Keep swimming.
Fucking seriously? God damn! This rabbit hole goes deeper and deeper. What's wrong with these people? I mean, I am no silly little Christian boy, but Jesus. I'm just digging in here to see what else I can find. God. Collect the whole set.
That must be her like lingerie drawer or something.
Ooh! I just found me a new toy. Nice. This is like my yellow one, but not as cool. I keep forgetting it anyway. Okay, so maybe we can sell this as a set to some deviant. See if Mom wants it first. I'm so glad I wear gloves.
Mm-hmm.
Who knows?
The fact that there's also a package of wet ones in
Yeah,
there.
there's just too much going on.
Of what? What?
We got
The wet wipes.
Oh.
So we've got tie downs, a whip, a mask, and wet ones. Yeah.
Somebody was having fun. Not the kind of fun that
Well,
I would
they
wanna
almost did.
have,
This one's
but-
unopened, so
Oh.
I guess they had to move before that. Oh my god, another one? Shit does not quit. As soon as I think I've got them all, another one pops up. I mean, at this point, we're having to deal with like an alien or some shit because there just seems to be more appendages than there needs to be straps for. Yeah, here's just an example of some of the stuff we come across. This is the more taboo, or not taboo, more tame.
Tame.
Yeah.
That's just a normal bra.
Yeah.
Should have
if
shown
I
the
was a chick-
entire.
If I was a chick, I wouldn't be getting like frilly stuff. I'd be buying my shit in the bulk. Like I would have 50 bras, all different colors and shit. But I'm not.
What are you
say that,
talking
like,
about,
bras are
Willis?
ridiculously expensive.
Now if you buy them in bulk, hey look,
No,
Beanie
they're
Baby.
still expensive. It's just
Oh, it still
not
has-
very bulk.
Original Beanie Baby.
It still has the tags on it. Apparently, what you're supposed to look for is any kind of misspellings or errors. That's what makes them valuable, I
The error, I
guess.
think, was making those things appear to be more expensive than what they should be. It's a little green-filled piece of cloth filled with crap. Found somebody's junk drawer. Oh, there's a ton of Legos in here. That's a good thing.
Found
Shut
another
up.
leash, but this
Bless
one's more
you.
innocent.
Huh?
Found another collar, but this one's more innocent.
Well, it depends. Who knows what kind of deviant people are.
I don't see any misspellings,
You
unfortunately.
found Legos? Jimmy?
Yeah. What is that?
A Lego.
Okay, this is obviously the kids' drawer.
Car keys.
God damn it, really? Another one. Empty box. Car keys for what?
I don't know. That's why I sent them over to you.
What we can do is just run around town hitting the unlock button, see which one goes, or the horn. No, not here. Not in here anywhere.
Just because we have to key doesn't, don't think it makes it for hours.
A hacky sack without the hack. It's just a sack. Strong economy, a strong middle class. Chuck Lee for state representative. I don't want to vote for this guy. Look at his face. I don't want him making that face at me.
Oh my.
Why the hell would I vote for him?
Wow.
Like, he's fine here. He still looks kind of constipated, and she seems to be aware of it. But I'm not sure. I mean, is he talking with his penis? Is that what he's doing?
What?
It's like he's kind of leaning back, you know, getting the junk in there just for, you know,
Oh my god, I
power. Like, yeah, vote for me. Oh, found another. Here we go. Here's another example. This one's rather elegant compared to the prior 400 that we found.
I like that one.
Yeah, me too.
It's cute.
It makes my eyes pop.
Okay, I'm finding a whole bunch of little Pokemon figurines. Like tiny ones. Keep or throw?
can't.
Leave in
Huh.
treatment. Corrects, restores
Jimmy.
structure. Ah, yeah, I took it on.
Don't throw it over here. I just cleaned that up. All these little Pokemon figurines, should I be keeping them or throwing them?
What Pokemon?
Is this garbage?
Go ahead and keep them.
I was throwing all those clothes over there for people to go through.
Okay, well this is that a garbage bag?
Yes.
Okay, that's been cut all to shit.
Sorry, I thought you were talking about the dress.
These drawers are rather interesting. They're numbered.
They probably go to that dresser, I would
I
hope.
understand what they probably go to.
Why are
You
they?
get sarcastic when you go through shit.
Huh?
You get sarcastic when
I
you go
do.
through shit.
Here you go.
Like, extra
please,
sarcastic.
special.
Advertising her.
Oh, yeah?
Oh wow.
But I don't understand the frisbee golf thing in it.
It's a pole.
It's a frisbee golf stand, genius. Ask Monica. Monica knows that shit.
What?
Show her. There's one of those, like, soccer, not soccer, but frisbee golf or frisbee football or whatever.
I don't know.
Oh.
Oh, wow.
Look what I found.
Wow.
Literally.
Nice.
Old school World of Warcraft.
That's our favorite game.
Yeah, this is gonna go home with me.
Yeah.
Part of my collection.
Absolutely. Is that like the very original one?
That is World of Warcraft before any of the expansions. That is vanilla.
Wow. Vanilla.
I played back in vanilla. Good for you. Probably sucked. Yeah, there's a lot of games. What?
Shut up.
Yeah, there's a lot of games in here. It looks like these are all computer games too. Bitchin'.
Are you happy, Mama? We can actually finally get in here now a little bit?
I don't know what you're talking about. I was climbing in here when the mattresses were in here.
That is true. But
But you couldn't
I
get
could get
underneath.
in.
Mama and I couldn't do anything.
Oh, this is the unit that had the magic cards that had the $30 card in it.
Yeah.
I don't know what's in this.
Sleeping bag?
Got another harmonica.
What?
Yeah.
Harmonica?
What's going on with that stack over there, Mom?
I had to get out of the sun for a little bit.
Going through shit in here. That's why I'm dragging it out there.
Journal accessories.
Yeah.
Nice.
Well, that's a scale.
Yeah. Kind of like about 100 of those so far.
Scale comes true with your standard drug unit.
Here's a Nintendo game.
Okay.
What?
Oh,
Oh, it's got Sonic in it. What?
I guess this is her hair. Well, now I've got all of her information,
Okay.
but I'm not sure what's up with the fucking cool piece.
The coffin. A little mini coffin.
What?
It looks like a little mini coffin.
It does look like a mini coffin.
Stuff that opens from here.
What is it?
It's, I guess something to put your bong or your weed in or both. I'm not sure.
Oh.
But I also found an inmate picture, so
Or a bottle of wine.
sure. I like bong and weed better though. You don't have a hangover the next day.
Yeah.
Alright, so I can't show this one because this is personal.
Okay.
But I found, I think this is actually hair extensions.
Oh.
Yeah, is that right?
In the
Is that
middle.
what
Yeah, yeah,
those are? Okay, good. I don't
Yeah.
feel like I'm gonna die then.
yeah. It's fake hair, not real hair, thank goodness.
Thank you.
I don't know.
That's for wine bottles.
I've learned.
Yeah, that's a wine decanter.
Yeah, it's gonna be for bongs.
It can be cleaned up.
It's gonna be for bongs.
Yeah, cleaned up. Joe, put this in the
Oh, is it gonna be for bombs?
keeper pot.
I'm gonna write redundant on its side too.
Thank you.
You're
I
welcome.
feel like it needs labeling. Too hot for this shit. Fuck global warming.